All right, so this is the Milwaukee Packout Toolbox Organization Set, and I purchased this for my husband for Father's Day a few years ago, and it's really a gift for me. I'm big into organization, and I was tired of the tools and the screws being thrown everywhere and in disarray. So what these are, let me show you. Each one is a separate little organizer, okay? But they all come apart. So if you just need a couple of tools or something in one, you unconnect it and you can take it with you. Or this whole thing turns into a dolly. This right here is the 22-inch large toolbox, and it comes with the interior organizer trays. It's going to have 4 little trays. One of them actually has a cover, which is this one that I'm holding, and you can put stuff in there. We use blades and stuff like that in there. But this keeps everything organized, and it's so simple just to go in there and know where everything is. So they've got heavy-duty latches, and this one little toolbox by itself weighs 11 pounds. So it's something that I could carry and move around. I can even move around the dolly on this. So as you can see, there's a handle up top. It's on wheels, and you just pull it back and move it wherever you want. I'm able to physically move this without any problem. And this thing is full of tools right now, as you can see. Each section is different. So to remove this one, this little black button right here, you just push that up and you're going to pull it towards you. Now what's holding it onto the toolbox is the little connectors on the bottom. And those little cups are what holds it in place. So let me show you how easy this is. It glides smooth, no problem. I highly recommend this for any woman wanting to organize some tools.